Hello everybody, my name is Evgeny. I'm a Director of Incident Response with ARETE Advisors. So since a lot of us got stuck during the COVID-19 at homes and trying to cook at home, we figured out that we'll try to do something different. So today we actually will do and record a 3-part video with like 3 different dishes. So ARETE Advisors actually specialize on cybercrime investigations, and our major offices are in Canada, Florida, and India. So we'll try to do basically each dish that will represent each region. And we're graciously being hosted by Culinary Cooking School. And I'll let Chef Pete introduce himself.
I'm Chef Pete with Culinary Cooking School. And tonight, we're gonna do a little bit of everything. We have some coconut shrimp that's gonna be from kind of the Florida area. We're doing some beaver tails from Canada. And then I can't wait to taste your dish. He's been cooking and it's been like, wow.
And for Indian dish, instead of actually doing Indian dish, because I probably will get my coworkers yelled at me for not doing it correctly. So I actually will use Russian dish that uses a lot of similar ingredients, similar spices to pay a tribute to that. And the name of that plov. So let's get started.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so we're going to do a little emulsion for our coconut shrimp. I've got a yellow mango, and I'm going to peel this up and then chop it and put it into our blender. So when you buy mangoes, they should be soft to the touch, not gushy, but just nice and soft to the touch. The seed runs this way. So I'm gonna cut around that seed. All right, so I can take our mango and just chop this up into a little bit smaller pieces because it's just gonna go into the blender. Then we have some coconut milk and some regular milk that we're going to add to our sauce here. And let me just turn this on. And then already have the milk, the sugar, and the coconut milk mixed in here. And back onto our blender. And now we want to strain our sauce through a fine mesh strainer, and this will make the sauce really smooth. So that's our sauce for our coconut shrimp. So we've got some 1620 shrimp, which means there's 1620 to a pound. So we're gonna basically peel these off. I don't like having to pick the tail out, so I like to pull that off. I just pull the tail here and then pinch right where the fins meet. Not real hard, and then you should be able to pull this right off and get the whole tail. Save the shells because the shells make wonderful stock. Whenever you can use stock instead of water, it's definitely the way to go. So I'm gonna trim this just to make sure that the vein is removed. And then I'm gonna slice a little bit more than about halfway through the bottom of the shrimp, because that'll help us stand them up when they're done. So no vein, nice and clean. So we have half dozen or so, and I'm going to take a little bit of our egg white and add this to our bowl here. This is 3 egg whites and a little whisk. And you want to whisk this until it's just nice and frothy, like so. It doesn't have to be completely frothy, but just a nice little, makes it a little bit lighter So we have some cornstarch here with some Jamaican jerk seasoning in it, and our shrimp, and we're going to do the dry wet and into our coconut. So this is coconut, shredded coconut that's just sweetened. You can buy it at any store. So we're going to start with our shrimps here and our cornstarch and jerk seasoning. Want to get those nicely coated. Then into our egg white and onto our coconut. This is a nice way to do shrimp. Lots of flavor. If you like it a little spicier, you can add a little bit more of the seasoning after it comes out. So we're just gonna heat up some oil. Yep, about a 1/2 inch. And we just wanna push our coconut onto our shrimp. And once this heats up, we're just gonna fry these just long enough just to get them cooked. And the coconut will turn slightly brown. Yeah, that's good. Nice and golden. Perfecto. So one of the things that goes really well with this is Thai chilies. These are green. There's a couple different ways we can plate this up. We take our emulsion here. And there's our Florida-inspired shrimp.
And guys, thank you very much for watching our videos, and hopefully you enjoy the recipes. If you have any future suggestions, questions, or maybe recommendations for the next series, please send us comments. We'll be more than happy to assist you guys.
Hopefully we'll be doing a lot more of these.
Thank you guys.
Take care.